Google. Let's go get him again.
What's going on, fragrance family? Welcome to another unboxing first impression video on my channel. Today we are delving into the brand of Nasomatto, and this one right here called Blamage. Now this is of course not a first impression, but an unboxing. I sampled this one back in January of 2023, but now it's time to unbox. I got a full bottle. Remind me of this scent. I'm excited to add this to my Nasomatto collection now that it's going to be up to 8 bottles. Looking for bottle 9 and 10, definitely. This is a brand that I absolutely love. It all started with Black Afghano. So I sampled this one back in the day, a few months ago, and it was a thinner Nasomatto, like a cleaner Nasomatto than the darker ones that I absolutely love. But I liked it. So let's delve into it. Let's unbox this one and let's discuss it. Let's talk about it. It's going to be my scent of the day today. But I did want to remind me of this. Oh, I got one of those cool looking caps. They have some really caps that are really, I don't know, like really clean. I got one of those that has like some of the white that's ripped off a little bit. It's got a little piece here. Oh yeah, I like that. This bottle is absolutely gorgeous. That was one of the reasons for the buy, to be quite honest. I am sometimes kind of like a bottle whore a little bit, that I see a beautiful bottle, especially if I have like a collection, like let's say Tom Ford's. I got a whole bunch of them, and then that Lavender Extreme came out, that beautiful bottle. And I'm like, oh, I don't like lavender, and I don't want to spend that much on a lavender base, but that bottle's beautiful, and I want to add it to my collection just for the collection. Sometimes you got to restrain yourself, but this one is a collection bottle. I'll be honest, very unique. I love it. And I'm so happy that I got a cap that's actually unique and not just a clean, regular cap, but it's all about the scent. At least I keep trying to tell myself. It's all about the scent inside. So let's remind me that's going to be my scent of the day today. Spring is coming slowly in Canada. It's very slow, but let's delve into it. Oh yeah. Wow, this thing actually is brighter than I remembered. Very thin as a fragrance, yes, but those fruity tones are really jumping off my skin here. Apricot-like, peach-like. There's some white florals here, a magnolia. But it's very fruity. It has some mild woods here, but it has a champagne-like quality to it. It has a bubbly-like quality. Clean, fruity, soft woods, backing a little bit of a sweet vanillic tone. Yeah, I like that vanillic tone in here. It really is popping more than my little sample, and I think my sample came from Lucky Scent. And again, I got that sample probably a few years ago. This bottle I got around a little after the sample. It's almost industrial, but not quite there. Interesting scent. I think I said this. An interesting scent, dressed up as a safe scent. I like it more out of the bottle. My excitement level went higher. I don't know if it's what's working today, but beautiful scent. I can't wait. I'm happy that I've added this, especially with the collection just for the bottle itself. But I don't know, this bottle, I got to go back to my video that I made with the sampling samples, and I feel like this one is much richer, and I mean like more vivid. Not darker or anything. It is the type of scent that I thought, but it's much richer. It's popping more out of the bottle here. Beautiful, beautiful scent. So I'm happy. I'm going to wear this one as my scent of the day today. Now that you heard my take, and I know it's just off the introduction, but I'm very pleased with this purchase. Can't wait to wear it more. But I'd love to see yours in the comments below if you have smelt this release. And yeah, I'm looking forward to wearing this one a little bit more. So as always, a greater pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching.